How to buy WLFI token. So this token came under the symbol of WLFI. Now, we can buy, or you can buy this token on Mexc. So, but before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. Now you can buy this token on your Mexc account. So for that, open your account on Mexc. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on Mexc to benefit from your own. So now after that, click on the search bar and type WLFI like that, and you will be able to find this, as you can see, index plus. So as you can see, make sure to select that one, as you can see, that have the logo of the token. Now after that, click on it and they will redirect you to this page. Now what you need to do, you can now type the amount of Solana, of course, but make sure that to have Solana on your account. Now here you can type how much you want to buy like that. So as you can see, because I don't have any fund on my account, I won't be able to see here buy this token. So for you, you will be able to see here buy WLFI. So after that, click on it. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to find this token added to your account. So this is how to buy WLFI on Mexc. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.